Most of them are be. Some of them will be healthy.
Okay, so now let's prep the items. What do I mean by prepping?
Let's first start with the garlic bread.
Okay, so what I was meaning is to clean everything, but for the garlic bread, you don't need to clean anything, especially the bread. Okay, no cleaning.
Don't put water on
Don't
bread.
listen to it. Do not wash the bread. Okay? Yes.
Classic. Okay. So what you want to do is get how many slices we need. How many do we need?
How many do you want to make? So if
Let's make three.
there's 4 people, 5 people.
Yeah, sure.
So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 bread. Oh, don't throw that.
yes. Now for making garlic bread, it should be both sides similar, right? So if you're-
Actually, you can use the crust pieces. It's okay. I
okay.
made it before.
Okay. Then it's okay.
And by the way, let's get the garlic butter. I need one knife. By the way, kids, don't use knives by your own. Make sure you have one adult supervisor.
At least 10 years old.
Yeah. Make sure that's me. I'll just use this red knife which I have. I've been using this for learning. So anyway, so just let's get this butter. Okay. First you get the butter. So it's gonna take a while. Oh no. Okay, so open your garlic butter. Take a tin. Okay, put on your bread. Crisp like an X pattern. Okay, I just need a little more. Okay, there we go. One next bit. We'll also be doing it on the other side, but a little less on the other side. Okay. So just repeat that how many ever times of bread you have. One, plus X. Okay. I think it will be easier if we have more people to help do this. Since you're a cameraman.
Well, I can just put it here,
Yeah.
and then
Just help.
I can just.
Okay, actually there's 2 more slices.
There we go.
So by the way, for the other side you will just make it crisscross pattern, okay?
Just go. Boom.
Crisscross pattern. Put it the other side. Yeah, there we go. It's meant to be crisscross pattern.
So the problem with the bread here is it's very soft.
And dry.
It's not dry. It's a soft, but it's very soft and thin. And if the butter is not soft, it's going to break the bread. Okay. So one thing you can do to get around it, you can melt the butter in microwave, so it'll be more liquid, and then you can use a brush to.
Yeah, but I don't think we should do that.
No.
Let's
No,
just
no.
do it the other way.
Yes.
Okay, now flip everything over like this.
Yeah.
Flip
So.
it over where there's no butter.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, we kind of forgot to put the powder. Garlic powder.
Oh, powder.
Oh wait, right, I found it. It's right here. Guys, if you are getting from this person, it's called Happy Chef Garlic Bread Seasoning. It's actually a little too strong, so be careful of. Did you just use butter?
I just smelled it.
Okay.
Yeah, because you're putting garlic powder, and this is also.
It's so strong.
It's a dried garlic bread seasoning.
It's so
Seasoning. Okay, so just the garlic, it's got other seasoning as well.
Make sure you put the amount like
One sec.
a little less
Yeah,
because.
but this side should have this.
Alright.
So you can use this so that it doesn't put there.
But remember, if you put too much of this thing, it actually is really strong. So, okay.
Right,
Anyway.
spread it.
No, now it's time to put on the pan.
Oh, so you only put it on one side?
Yeah, only one side.
Okay.
Okay.
But don't you want to heat the pan first?
Now we put the this first.
Okay.
So how we do it? Be careful around fire, kids. We wait for like 15-20 seconds and the butter would be melted. Then we flip this.
What do we flip it with?
Hands.
You're gonna put
Yeah,
your.
I can do that.
You're gonna put your hand in that one to flip it.
Calm down. I do it.
Yeah. No, it's not hot yet.
I know, I'm just showing.
Yeah, because the pan is not hot yet.
Well, you just touched it?
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay. Do not catch your hands on the pan. It'll burn.
Don't you want a spatula to do it? Do you have a spatula? You're going to use your hand?
Yes.
Okay. Or I can do it for you.
I can do these two, but I can't reach those two, so.
Okay. Is that how you normally do? With the hand?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see your hand.
Okay.
Let's see your hand.
So my hand.
Yeah. No marks.
Yeah, I think it should be ready.
Is it? Shouldn't it be brown?
No, it should be a little bit brown.
Are we going to flip it again?
Mostly, yeah. It depends.
Okay. Okay.
So you guys see that?
That's a waiting dance.
Okay. Anyways, it's really easy to make if you have these ingredients at home. If you're wondering which butter company we used the Amul garlic and herbs butter spread. They even have their own homemade garlic bread recipe, but I think this one is different.
And guys, remember, we did not get paid for the promotion.
Yes, it's not sponsored. We're using the things we normally use to make everything. I think that should be it.
Yeah.
We just need to heat this one.
You want to turn it over and see?
Okay. Oh yeah,
So that's how it should be done, right?
It should be.
Yeah, so we'll leave it a little bit more on this side.
Yeah, because we kind of messed up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a little too much. We put on.
So maybe we can put a little bit less.
Yeah, that's the least we can go.
We just reduced the heat. The reason we put it at high is that the pan was cold, so we put the bread and then turn it on, so it was high. But in between,
we never put it at high. We put it at low every time. We put it at low.
sorry, she's the chef. She knew what she was doing.
Okay, and now.
When I said higher.
Okay, it's done. One.
So she took one.
Put it
Okay.
on, please.
So I'm just gonna do that
Please put it on. I can't.
and that.
My hands are gonna burn.
Yes, that was hot.
Okay, now the last step for the garlic bread, is mayo.
I'm surprised.
Are you taking this?
I thought garlic bread meant bread with the garlic butter and toasted.
Yeah.
Now I'm learning that there's one more step. That's why my garlic bread wasn't tasting that good. I'm just being informed
One sec.
by an authoritative figure that once you make that toasted bread, you have to put mayonnaise on it. Now who would have thunk?
Okay.
Mayonnaise.
Mayo. So, guys, if you want, you can put mayo. But really, what our recipe is, put mayo. Let's put the mayo on. 3, 2, 1. Let's do. Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's take one small spoon since it's a jar. Normally, we should have got a squeeze packet. Oh, don't put so much, guys, okay? Don't do that chit-chatty thing, okay? Okay, so spread it if you want. Normally what we do is like we don't spread it, but guys, is he doing something behind my back? Okay. It's my hand. Okay, leave it. And 2 more. Only one side put it on, guys. Okay. So this is how it should look like. Okay. That's a little more. Okay, don't put so much. Can I make a spoon?
Yes.
Okay, we won't need this. Okay.
She didn't use the phone after licking, okay? This is safe.
So what's our next thing? Okay, I'm gonna put this on the table.
There you
This
go.
is our plate of garlic bread. If you don't want mayonnaise, don't put if you don't want to. Time for the taste review. So right now we have the garlic bread. So we got the garlic bread. Okay, I'm gonna cut one piece off.
It's still crispy. We put it in.
You're gonna do the review. We'll taste it.
Okay.
Now you talk.
It's good. Garlic bread. The actual garlic butter and then the spices on top of it. It's really good. Now, as we were spreading, we said it was hard to spread. Again, the bread was soft. So the most of the spices are in the middle, and you can really taste that. Okay, so great.
How much out of 10?
Oh, this one. Because of the bread, I would just give it about a 9.
Ooh, okay. Next, which one should we go first? Next.
We'll try the salad.
Okay, just put a little bit on the plate and take it. Okay. Okay, now that we got a salad, let's try.
Let's try it. Wow. I already did the review of this, okay? But this is just a second take on it.
Yeah.
And so this could be done on a hot day, sitting on the porch,
You
just
don't
taking
have to.
and having a little.
You don't have to say it again.
Yeah,
Just
so it's there. Go see it. Okay.
go with the review now.
Yes. It's for the salad. Very, very good. 9.5.
Okay. And next, the pro salad.
Yeah.
The one which. Okay, I'll get one. I'll be right back, guys.
I'm trying my way for
Take.
trying my way for
Serving spoon.
Steve to finish later.
Okay, I got one serving spoon.
Yeah, we need a couple more.
It's okay. We can take that by hand now. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
just use your hands.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do it simple way. Use your hands. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. So, let's try.
The cucumber and the carrot salad with the dressing.
I like it. That's good.
It's good. The sugar, it adds a little bit of sweetness, salt, saltiness, and a little bit of tardiness.
Yeah.
We'll put one juice of one lime. If you want, you can add more if you like more tardiness. But this one, I would say it's, even though this is great, I would say this one is probably about a half a step ahead.
So basically 9.5.
Yes. Mix it at all.
Okay. Now the potato wedges. Oh, I can just take my hand. Okay. The potato wedges with the skin. It's pretty great.
It's not like baked broiled because we didn't use the oven.
Because we don't
But
have
for
it.
how we made it, it is. Yeah, say it.
10.
Yeah.
It's really good. Okay. Call right now. Okay.
People calling me. They want me to make food for them.
Probably. Okay. Next, the chili bhaji. I'm gonna take this piece. Okay. I'm gonna do what's inside. This is how it looks inside. I don't think you guys can see that bit, but okay.
Mulaga bhaji.
Oh, so good. It's a bit
Okay, there's a
sweet.
little bit drawback on this one. Saltness. Salt. It's
It
not
doesn't
that
have-
salty. Okay, it can be a bit more salty. It's not spicy, but if you eat it hot with some hot chai, super.
I don't really like the thing like the chili itself because
But you like the batter.
yeah,
Okay.
it's really like
Soft.
this is sweet.
Yeah,
The inside is sweet.
because we didn't put any
Yeah,
the seeds.
you should have put something like some more spice. Or something.
Okay. The next we're gonna try the roll.
Let's just half this one.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll just half it.
Yeah, no, bite.
Alright.
Yeah.
Really good. Try.
Is it good?
Yeah. I don't really like that many vegetables, but this is really good.
Yes, it is. It is good. You can feel all the different veggies and the tanginess of the ketchup, the mayonnaise, and also remember we added a little bit of that salad dressing from so everything on is just.
It's like a great explosion in your mouth.
Yes,
Kind
that's what it is. What she said. Okay, I couldn't have said it better myself.
Okay.
And then we don't need to do the sandwich because it's the same filling.
Just with bread.
Okay. Yeah. So the sandwich we just made it with just plain bread. If you want, you can make it with a toasted bread as well. So it'll hold together a
With
bit
ghee,
better.
butter or something.
Yeah, exactly. So that's it. So all the stuff. There wasn't anything that was just we could make it better, right? It's everything is almost.
Everything is fine, but that chili bhaji could be.
Yeah, a little bit more salt, and of course, it's because of her. It wasn't spicy, okay?
I told I can't tolerate.
Yeah, that's why.
But that's sweet.
Yeah. So,
That's not spicy at all.
So, I didn't put that much chili.
Yeah, it's kind of my fault.
So we need if you are having with that hot chai, if you have it more spicy, yeah, hot, spicy and hot chai.
Yeah, that's kind of my
Great
fault.
combination. So this was just improv cooking because she wanted to do something for the YouTube. So we did all of that. I'm going to collage all of it and make it into just one video or just one or two reels. So stay tuned for that one and subscribe.
Subscribe for more.
Subscribe.
Subscribe for more.
Right. And also send it to all your friends and families. And advertise on your sites if you have it.
If you want to learn more cooking, go to the other site which is
Journey to the world of
Of cooking.
cooking. Sign
Bye.
off.